Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, we are a minimalist family who is living big with less, and today I have a power hour-ish. So this particular day, we had gotten back from holidays, things were crazy around here, and things were actually in dire need of a really good clean. And I had just over an hour before I picked up the girls from school. So I'm going to show you how much I can get done in that time, how I prioritize it. So if you're looking for some cleaning motivation, stick around. Alright guys, I am getting started in my kitchen. Now it is relatively clean, but I really like if I've got a chunk of time just to do those little jobs that you don't always get to. So refilling my dishwashing liquid, washing up any dishes and putting them away that are left, and giving my benches or my counters, if for my American friends, a really good wipe down, wiping down anything that I keep on the counters all the time. That just keeps the kitchen looking really clean and fresh, but I don't always get to doing those little jobs. So when I'm doing a quick power hour, that's the perfect time for me to do it.
Telling me I will be fine. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Halfway hard, halfway hard. Sing to me if I lose my voice. Said I better root if I lose my course. Count on my company and I will come. Save me when I am falling. Save me when I am falling. Save my love when I fall. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart.
Now guys, I promise I did rinse all these dishes because I know that some of you are going to be worried about that, but I've had a few questions as to why I don't use my dishwasher, and I just have a bit of a workflow that works better to have most of the stuff clean most of the time. It means I don't have to keep as many spares, and I can just wash as I go, and I don't have to wait till the end of the day or wait till I fill the dishwasher. And as you guys can see from this angle, if you look to the right, you'll see my Monica closet where I keep all of my current projects which I'm working on, but I'll feature that in another video.
Little love, I'll make it back. What if I open my soul?
So guys, I don't know about you, but my kitchen floors just get gross. There's crumbs, there's sticky messes, and in an ideal world, I would get time to vacuum and wash my kitchen floors every day, but it doesn't always happen. So this day, I'm giving it a really good vacuum. Our house was made in the 70s, and so it has a lot of chipboard. So if you were wondering why I'm vacuuming out my cupboards, it's just because the chipboard falls in there, and so I just give it a quick clean up. And then I am moving on to our disaster of a dining room. This also happens to be our entryway, so it's where all the stuff gets dumped, but thankfully it doesn't take too long to clean it up.
surprise. I'd rather want you to just let me be. Oh, oh, oh. What do I know? What's going on now? Is this another breakdown? You and me, should I let go?
So for me, the great thing about a power hour is you just get as much done as you can, and the time is as the time is, and if you don't get it done, well, it will still be there tomorrow. So for me, I had written on my list to mop all the floors, but unfortunately I ran out of time, but at least everything was free from crumbs and cleared and picked up. I also gave me an opportunity to sort of deep clean some of those things that I don't always get to, like our entryway and our dining table, just making sure that everything was cleaned up on top and underneath.
You showed in your own way, we would stand and we would fall united. Come on, get a grip now, just finish what you started. Don't like the feeling that I've been fooled, deceived and so misguided.
I'm now working my way through our post-holiday laundry, so just getting a whole heap of laundry on and making sure that I then vacuum out our toilet and bathroom. These areas are just so high use that they seem to constantly need to be vacuumed because of all the little bits and pieces that end up there. Now I'm just moving through to clean up our bedroom. You know what it's like after you get back from holidays. I had a whole heap of clean washing that needed to be put away, and just getting all those bits and pieces that fall in our floor sorted out, making the beds, and then I absolutely love my robot vacuum, and it's such a great time efficient way because I can set him to go even once my power hour is finished.
Secret smile.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new here, we would absolutely love to have you subscribe and join our community. Here are some other videos we think you might like, and if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It just lets me know that you'd like more videos like that, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.